Like copywriting, people get so weirded out about like, well, I don't understand copywriting. It's so simple. You don't understand copywriting because people aren't good at teaching it. Do you know what copywriting is? It's just clear communication from a business to a customer. That's it. So copywriting, this is what it is. This is why copywriting is so valuable. Is because somebody's over here and they have a problem in their life. They have a problem. Maybe it's somebody who's overweight and needs to lose weight and it's causing lots of problems. And then there's somebody over here. There's a business owner, a fitness coach, who's able to help people lose weight. Do you know what copywriting is? You have these two people. So somebody over here who has a problem. My life sucks. I'm overweight. Somebody over here. I'm so good at helping people lose weight, but I don't know how to get to them. Copywriting has a bridge. You are building a bridge between a business owner who helps people and a customer who has a problem they need help with. You are the person to connect people's problems and solutions to make people's lives better. You make this person's life better because they get their dream life, they get their dream body, and they feel more confident and happy and healthier. You help this person because they get more money and they get to help their family and the people around them have more free time. So copywriting helps two people at once. This is why it's so valuable. You're just clearly communicating from here to here. That's it. That's why it's so valuable. So having said all that, the more you understand the person over here, the product in the middle, and the person selling the product, the more you understand each of those three things, the easier it is to bridge that gap, to build that bridge. It's so much easier, right? This is why I always recommend to people when you're going to go into a niche, like I recommend pick a niche, like pick real estate or pick finance SaaS or pick fitness coaching, right? Pick one type of business or one industry or one type of client and just write copy for them. Just do that. Just go after those kinds of people and that's it. Just pick one thing. If you get case studies over time, sure, expand, do whatever you want. But start with one thing. Why is that? It's because you can quickly become an expert in one thing. It's easier to write the copy quicker. The best way to figure out your niche too is like whatever you are already the customer of, you're going to write the copy 10 times faster and easier. So for example, if you love to hit the gym, go to the gym every day and like you're jacked or you're fit or whatever, and like you live and breathe going to the gym every day, well, guess what would be pretty easy copy to write? Probably writing copy for a fitness coach. Probably writing copy for a guy who helps people get lean or lose fat or whatever. Like it's just going to be 10 times easier to write it if you understand it. If you yourself have ever hired a personal trainer or a fitness coach and you love the gym and you have been overweight and have had that transformation, you don't have to you are the avatar, or at least you were in times past. You understand them inside and out. The easiest copy to write is the person who is you when you write to yourself. So you only need to do as much research as you do to understand the thing. So this is just, I'm giving you the shortcuts to just get into the game quicker, start making money quicker, is like, just write to yourself. Write to the things you already buy, right? Like I bought a stand-up desk. That's how I'm streaming right now. And like, it's an electric stand-up desk. It goes up and down. Why did I buy this? Because I tweaked my back a few months ago after I did a run and like something screwed up in my spine and I have like sciatic pain. It sucks. But like, guess what? It sucks less now that I have a stand-up desk that can go up and down. So I can switch between sitting and standing. I am the avatar for this product. You know how much easier it is for me to write the copy for this product now? Because I've lived it, the experience and the pain of back pain, and now the solution of being able to sit and stand and like be able to work longer hours again and like not be in so much pain. Oh, it's 10 times easier. But a year ago, I wouldn't have been able to write the copy as well because I didn't understand that pain. I didn't get the solution to solve that pain. So this is the shortcut to writing good copy fast and getting clients fast and making money fast. Bringing it back to, if you are the avatar, if you bought the products, if you just understand the industry, you're a gym junkie, go after fitness coaches. If you've been working in real estate for 10 years, go after real estate agents or anything to do with real estate. If you are like a professional musician, you are the best musician you know, like go after people in the music industry who sell instruments, like lessons, other things, I don't know, right? So just go after a niche and like skip over the research if you can. And then obviously, if you can study the avatar a bit more, that's gonna help. Go get in the trenches, go read reviews, go read testimonials, get onto Reddit, read people. If you're going after fitness coaches, go into like Reddit fitness or Reddit lose weight or whatever the subreddit would be, and go just look at people's questions and answers. You're going to when you look at people's complaints and what they're struggling with, you're going to quickly find out how you can help them and how to speak their language, right? That's how you get copy that resonates. That's how you make money.